Assalamualaikum and good morning pupils. Okay, thank you for those who joined our GM just now. We are still in the topic of fractions. Our subtopic for PDPR today is compare decimals and compare fractions and decimals. Okay, these are the drillings that you should do before the GM just now, and we had discussed the correct answers. Before we start our lesson, let us revise what we had learned last week. Converting fractions to decimals. Okay, 1/10 equals 0.1. 2/10 equals 0.2. 3/10 equals 0.3. 4/10 equals 0.4. 5/10 equals 0.5. 6/10 equals 0.6. 7/10 equals 0.7. 9/10 equals 0.9. Now let us revise on how to compare fractions. Okay, so the first one, this is 3/6. And this fraction is 5/6. So we can say that if we compare 3/6 and 5/6, so we can say that 3/6 is smaller than 5/6. Okay, other words for this one is, we also can use less than. 3/6 is less than 5/6. Okay, how about 5/6? 5/6 is larger than 3/6, or we can say 5/6 is bigger than 3/6, and the other word is 5/6 is more than 3/6. Now we go through our lesson today, compare decimals. Okay, which is smaller, 0.2 or 0.4? Okay, 0.2 is represented by the green color, and the 0.4 is represented by the yellow color. Green is less than yellow, so 0.2 is smaller. We proceed to our second example. Which is larger, 0.5 or 0.8? Okay, we will represent them in number lines. So remember, the value gets larger as the decimals move to the right. Okay, here is to the right. So we can say that 0.8 is larger than 0.5. 0.8 is at the right. Now we go through our next subtopic, compare fractions and decimals. Look at the example here. There is a girl and a boy. The girl says, I shaded 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and it is written in fraction 3/10. And the boy says, I shaded more, 7 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is written in decimals, 0.7. So class, based on the fractions that they had shed here, which is larger? So we can say that 0.7 is larger than 3/10. Okay, next example. Okay, we are using number line. Okay, look here. This is in decimals down here. Okay, 0.1, if we convert to the fraction, it will become 1/10. And then 0.2 is 2/10. And so on with 0.3 until 0.9. Okay, like this. So the question here is, okay, look at A. So 1 over 10 is 1 over 10 is compared to 0.1. So we can say that 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1. Okay, B 0.8. This is 0.8 is, okay, this is 3 over 10 compared to 3 over 10. 0.8 is more than 3 over 10. Okay, C 0.2 and 5 over 10. This is 0.2, this is 5 over 10. So 0.2 is less than 5 over 10 or smaller than 5 over 10. Okay, last one. Okay, 4 over 10 and 0.6. This is 4 over 10, this is 0.6. So we can say that 4 over 10 is smaller than 0.6, or we can say that 4 over 10 is less than 0.6. So that's all for our lesson today. So for your homework, please do exercise in activity book page 97 and 98. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.